Planning to buy a shower screen in Sydney? Worried about those stories of glasses suddenly shattering? Hey guys, I'm your MyHomeware bathroom assistant. Today I'm sharing 5 things renovation pros always check before buying a shower screen. The last one is super important, so make sure to leave a like and save this. First question, do you need safety film on your shower glass? No. All shower screen in Australia already use tempered glass. This glass is heat treated to be super strong, and if it does break, it shatters into the tiny blunt pieces that won't cut you as badly. Here is the thing, Australia's safety standards actually say don't add film to shower glass. Why? Because if the glass breaks with the film on it, the whole heavy sheet could fall down in one piece. That's way more dangerous, especially for kids. The second question, how thick should your glass be? That's easy. Frameless screen use 10mm glass and framed screen use 6mm. Just make sure you choose a brand that's certified to Australian safety standards. Third question, should the rail be on top or bottom for sliding shower screen? Old-style sliding shower screen have the rail at the bottom. They are strong and waterproof, but they trap dirt and soap scum, so they are annoying to clean. Modern sliding shower screens put the rail on the top instead. No track at the bottom means easier cleaning, looks sleeker, and it's easier to step in and out. Of course, most people go for top-mounted rails now. Fourth question, what about nano coating? Nano coating is like an invisible shield on the glass that stops water stains and soap from sticking. If you live in an area with harder water or you just hate scrubbing your shower, it's worth getting. It's usually an optional upgrade, but for easy maintenance, definitely worth it. Fifth and most important point, always hire a certified glazier. This is where most people mess up. A certified glazier has proper training. They know that glass expands when it gets hot, so they leave the right gaps in the frame. They won't over-tighten the clips. They protect the corners of glass very carefully during installation. How about uncertified workers? They might just fit everything perfect tight, thinking they are doing a great job. Then a few months later, boom! Your glass shatters from heat expansion. Most shower screen breakages are not bad luck. They are from bad installation from day one. Don't try to save $100 now and pay thousands later. Ready to upgrade your shower screen? Come meet at MyHomeware Sydney bathroom showroom. And if you want more renovation tips, leave a comment below and let me know.